What's going on, my YouTube fam? Savage Tech back in the building, jumping right in. Toner TW620 with a 2-year warranty. Let's dive in. The good people at Toner reached out and said, Savage, we got a product I want you to test out for us. And you know what Savage said? I think I will. Yes. Send it to me. So, looking in this box, we have the manual. Like a microphone, receiver, contents. Seems like your standard manual. Very good illustrations and great key points. Two-year warranty. All right, let's get some of this stuff out the way. And let's get into this first bag. So it looks like we have the charging cable, USB charging cable, you know, standard issue. There we have the anti-slip ring, rubber ring there. You know, you want to hold on to your mic. This right here is the receiver. Okay, it's a wireless receiver. Has a 6.35 millimeter plug with a 200-foot range. Line of sight, that is. A 2 to 3 hour charge. Get you 6 to 8 hours of use. Yes, 8 hours of use time. There you can see your USB port, the power button, and the antenna. And there on the description, the label, charge it before you use it. 100. Yeah, get rid of that box. This is what we've been waiting on. Right here. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Toner TW620 wireless microphone in your face. Man, this thing looks sweet. LCD screen right there. Metal housing. Rugged, which will give you a long life cycle. Hold up. So if you have any interference in your area, there are 15 channels to choose from. All right, forgot about that cover there. Mic cover. Get that baby put on. So you're listening to this mic right now. What do you think? Leave your thoughts in the comments down below, you know. There you go, your battery department. You just twist that bottom housing off. They use 2 AA batteries. There you have your switch to change your frequencies. 15 different frequencies. You can connect up to 15 different units. This right here is my 6.35 to my 3.5 millimeter adapter. Power button. And all we have to do is plug it in. Bam. Just like that. All right, here we go. So this is how I got this mic set up. So you want to click on your settings, and then you're going to click on sound. And then you'll have this little stuff right here showing. You want to come to microphone. As you can see, my microphone automatically popped up. Okay, and you can hear see the volume and me talking right now. Okay, so now I want to hit device properties, and you can go in here and you can start your test or whatever and test your mic if you want. All right, so now I want to hit additional device properties. Okay, and we have another window that pops up. Okay, this is what I have everything set on. Okay, all right, and I'm also running the NVIDIA Broadcast app, and I have a lot of noise in the background, so I got all this stuff on here. Okay, so I think when I first started, this was off, and this was like on maybe 14, somewhere up in there, 12, 14, somewhere, give or take. Okay. All right. So this is what it sounds like directly out of the box. Directly out of the box. So whatever you hear now, this is the way it sounds. A proper test. And if I move the mic, I'm right on the mic. So if I move the mic away from me, you can hear the volume decreasing and decreasing. Okay. All right. This is your boy Savage. I just wanted to let you know that, so you can see it for yourself firsthand. These tonal products amaze me every time. Listen to the clarity of this mic. You're listening to it right now. Okay? The sound is clear. The range on these mics are good. Okay? This microphone is on sale right now at Amazon for $43 at the time of this recording. This is your boy Savage. Thanks for all the likes, the subscribers, the watchers, the comments. Hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Savage out.